Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix CapCut lagging. Okay, first things first, if you notice lagging while editing or exporting videos in CapCut, pinpoint the specific issues such as lag during transitions or while exporting. What you want to do is to tap reinstall or the cloud download icon next to CapCut's name in the storage list. This will reinstall the app with a clean slate, clearing potential bugs and unnecessary data that might be causing the lagging issue. Finally, completing the steps should resolve most of the lagging issues within CapCut. If this guide helped you, consider leaving a like on the video for future reference. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix CapCut lagging. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.